We're doing some smothered turkey wings today. Got some garlic powder, onion powder, ground cumin, smoked paprika, some Old Bay, some black pepper, and some poultry seasoning. You make sure you start off with some clean turkey wings. Get all that seasoning in there. Spread it all around. A little extra is not going to hurt because this here is going to take a while. It's going to take a while. But that's the star of the show, that poultry seasoning. Get that all spread it over. Now you want to go ahead and massage all that in there. Add a pan. Put a little oil in it. Spread those out evenly. Go ahead, look at that. Look good already. Go ahead and slice up some onions. Get that all spread it out. Now I got some leftover bell peppers from the last meal that I sprinkle over. Look at that fresh thyme, because it's going to take some time. I'm going to cover that up. Put that in the oven at 350. After the first hour and 15 minutes, drain off all that liquid. Separate that fat. Add a can of cream of mushroom. After you done separate that fat, go ahead and pour that liquid in there. Mix that all together. Stir that all in. Get that nice and mixed together. Look at it. Cream of mushroom soup. Now you want to spread that over those turkey wings. Now we're going to put this back in the oven for another hour and 10 minutes. Uncover. Now, after the first 15, 20 minutes, put that foil back on. Voila. Juicy, moist, also tender, smothered turkey wings. Can't go wrong with turkey wings, especially when it's juicy, creamy, and moist. Look at that. Go ahead and spread some of that sauce over that top. Smothered turkey wings. This whole process took about 2 hours and 50 minutes. Just say 3 hours. Take your time. Can't go wrong. Smothered turkey wings. Subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.